Good morning, everyone. How are you guys doing today? Peyer Daniel here, and today is the day I'm going to show you Rome. A bunch of you guys know I am here in Italy, specifically Rome, to experience the culture, to kind of become more worldly of kind of life going on around me. So I'm taking 3 weeks off and trying to enjoy the world and enjoy this nice vacation. So let's go take a look at Rome. Well guys, this was my first day adventuring in Rome. I hope you enjoyed it, and it's pretty dope, not gonna lie. Had a good time, just kind of walking around. It's getting a little chilly out now though, so I'm gonna head back and remember, just keep living life.